Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing this summer fast quick up down ponytail. I said up down ponytail, you guys, and we're gonna just do this. No blow dryer, no heat, no nothing, straight out the shower. I put some castor oil in my hair. I'm gonna be showing you all the products that we're gonna be using because it's not a lot, you guys. This is literally a quick, fast, and go hairstyle. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm gonna be using this styling foam, foaming mold, I guess, and this is the Gorilla Snot. A few products, you guys, because like I said, I am running low, so I'm working with what I have. So I have these two brushes right here, and then we're gonna use this used hair that I've been using, because you guys, it's too hot for a wig right now, but I'm gonna be putting my wigs back in soon. But you guys, until then, look at this hot summery ponytail that I'm gonna do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Somebody let me try. So I'm gonna be brushing my hair back into the ponytail that I want, but not too tight, because we're just gonna put it in a ponytail until we gel it up, and then we're gonna reinsert the ponytail. So this ponytail do not have to be perfect. So now we're gonna brush out our baby hairs. As many, as little as you like. Gorilla Snot. Now we're gonna reinsert the ponytail. Keep in mind my hair is relaxed. I'm sweating, like, oh my gosh. So I have my braided hair from the 99-cent store. You can get this at any 99-cent store. And I'm gonna just do like a bun. So we're gonna do a bun. So what you wanna do is, hold on, let me fix the camera. Okay, so we have this piece that we're gonna wrap around to hide every, you know, rubber band or anything that's out of place. So we're gonna separate that into 3 separate pieces, 1 small piece and 2 large pieces to make the bun. So we're gonna separate our hair into 2 strands, just like the pieces of hair that we're gonna wrap together. And we're gonna have this strand to wrap around the anchor of the hair. And we're gonna just take that and place that here. Hold one. What happened?
Nothing. It's boring up there.
What you call that out there?
Tish?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, she out there.
With Orion.
He has a stomachache.
Alright, so you can't play your phone so loud because I got the door open. I need AC. I'm sweating. Okay, you guys, so this is the ponytail with me, you know, doing my face and everything. And this is just the calm summer pony that I've been telling y'all about. No heat, no nothing needed. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.